Hello crafters, welcome to today's video with CreatorDomeg. I hope everyone is well and enjoying the cooler temperatures, hopefully, by the time you see this video. I got these pumpkins, faux pumpkins from Amazon. They were less than £3 with next day Amazon Prime delivery. I've taken out the stalk because I'm not going to need it, and I'm going to put some faux succulents on the top. Can't really get the succulent pumpkins here in the UK, so I have a display that needs a couple, so I'm going to make some. I've got some succulents, and I'm going to be using some of the faux succulents sold in Poundland in these lovely little grey pots. So if you want this to be really cheap, just go to Poundland and grab yourself some of their succulents. I'm going to be using a varied array of items. As this can go straight in, I might just put this straight in. I'm not cutting the top down at all. I don't want it to be a flat top. Will that go in there? Yeah, that goes in there. So let's put some hot glue on this stem. I'm making two of these. I've made one already, so I thought I'd better bring the other one to camera. And I'm not making them so they look parallel or so they look exactly the same. That's not the look I'm going for. I'm not bothered if I have to make the holes for things to poke in, because this is actually quite hard polystyrene and some of these picks are quite flimsy. Let's see if I can get this one in. Yeah, you're in. And there's no right or wrong way to place your faux succulents. So you just got to pull out the metal bit that goes with these. And if you need to, just put it back in, put some hot glue, I know this isn't a succulent, but I quite like the foliage, so I think that'll go quite nice with my my display. And the same with these. I know these aren't, I don't think these are quite succulents, but I'm going to be using them. Now some of this material I've had in my stash for a while. It's from eBay, it's from Amazon, it's from overseas. Just grab what you can. You can get succulents from Hobbycraft here in the UK. There's different places you can get them now, so they are more widely available. I've got this donkey's tail or pearl necklace, whatever you want to call it. I'm not sure what the correct term for this particular succulent type is. If you know, please put it in the comments. And I'm going to put some of these in. I think some items are having a struggled gluing in because it's so hot here at the moment. I'm recording this towards the end of July. You won't see it until probably September. And we'll have to go over these with a heat tool. Okay, let's stick you down. Okay. succulent in the center there. I'm going to let that all set. And then we'll move on to the moss. Okay, so around the edge and in between the succulents that I've glued in, I'm going to put in some faux moss. Making sure to use my spatula. I'm just using the spatula to wedge it in, because I want it to be, you know, underneath, mixed in with the foliage. Okay, crafters, I think that's done. Obviously I need to go over it with my heat tool to get rid of any of these glue strings. That's one, and I'll bring over the other one to show you. And here's the other one. Now I did them differently on purpose, but using the same sort of colours and items, because I didn't want them to be identical. I'll link these pumpkins below. Thank you very much for joining me, and I'll look forward to seeing you again very soon. Take care now. Stay safe and stay well, one and all.